Good morning. I want to energize my skin, and the best thing to start with the morning is to provide the most of antioxidant to your skin. I've started my day by cleansing my face using a very mild face wash. I do not use soaps. They are really not good for your skin. They really harm the skin. In circular motion, cleansing out all the areas, giving it a nice massage, and then I'll wash it out. And here comes my magic brick, ice brick, which will uplift my skin instantly and give me a really refreshed look. I will share you the recipe with, so please watch the video till the end. So I'm gonna use just 2 ice cubes for this icing therapy. How I'm gonna use: hold the ice against areas on my skin for few seconds, moving it gently in circular motions on my chin, jawline, cheeks, forehead, nose, under eyes and below nose. I really love this ice therapy. If you ask me that how does this really work, then just think of that rosy pink glow one gets after a brisk winter walk on their face. It exactly works the same, because when ice is applied to the skin, it causes blood to race to the surface, which soothes and tightens our skin. Once done, we'll not wipe our skin, we'll just leave it so that our skin absorbs all the ingredients in the ice therapy cubes. So in the meantime, I'll share you how did I make this ice cube, which is super rich in antioxidant. Just 2 ingredients. I have taken 1 glass of clean water. Take a container, turn the stove on and pour out the water into the container. We'll allow this to boil. Once it is boiled, we'll turn the stove off, and now our magic ingredient, here it comes. We are adding 3 teaspoons of green tea and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon stick powder. We'll mix it well. Green tea and cinnamon stick both are highly rich in antibacterial properties, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, so it will help fighting our acne and also the bacteria which causes the acne breakout. Cinnamon stick will protect our skin against the damage caused by free radicals, which includes the fine line, pigmentation, dull looking skin, and also the green tea will reduce the fluids around the eyes and shrink the swellings. And it will also deal with hormonal imbalance that leads to the acne breakout. After 30 minutes, when it is completely cooled down, we will filter it and pour it in our tray. These ingredients will work miracle on our skin, because it will improve the blood circulation, which will lead to the brighter complexion and beautiful healthy skin. It will also help in getting rid of dead skin cells and unlock pores, and will also help treating the skin tan. Because of cinnamon stick powder in it, it will also make your skin look plumper and more even toned, because it stimulates the blood vessels, which promotes more blood flow to the face, and also it will help in reducing and healing the acne scars very faster. Once we pour it evenly, here it goes inside the freezer, and the next morning it will be ready for your use. My skin is completely dry now. I'll quickly go and wash my face. And here I come with all the messy dress. Completely wet. Oh God. Make sure you do not rub your skin. Just simply pat dry from towel. One thing always to keep in mind: if you have sensitive skin, do not apply the ice cubes directly on your face. Use a thin clean cotton cloth or a towel and then use it. Now once I'm done, then I will apply any of the toner whichever you have in your home, whichever you use, your face toner or vitamin C toner, anything, or face serum, morning serum. Just use it, apply it evenly on your skin, slightly press it down so that it will settle down on your skin completely. It is very important. If you do not have or do not use any of the toners or vitamin C serums, then you can simply apply any of the mild morning moisturizer on your skin and a sunscreen. And if you feel any burning sensation or any discomfort while applying the eyes, please stop the procedure and consult a doctor if needed. I'm using homemade lip balm to moisturize my lips as well. I will provide you the links in the description box for this homemade lip balm. You can see that. Make sure to use the ice therapy on your skin only once a day, not more than that. And do not leave the ice cube on a particular area of your face for more than 30 seconds. And also be careful while applying around the eyes, especially if it has any special ingredients. Do not rub hard under the eyes as it is a sensitive area. Now I am tapping all over my face so that I can awake my skin so that it will increase the blood circulation. And here I go. My healthy and beautiful glow looking uplifted skin is now ready to tackle the day. Always pamper your skin. No matter how many scars, how many pimples you have it, your skin should always look healthy. Some of the ice cube is all you need to address all your skincare woes. Bye bye guys. See ya.